We live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction. Because we know that you only see the apparent horizon, not the geometric horizon, because we live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction. That moves the horizon.
Not get hung up on the intro of how you do this with straight lines, measuring angles, because suddenly yours are bent and refracted in standard terrestrial refraction. Suddenly we want to be getting hung up on the fact you can't get this straight line angle. No, it's the thing that proves Earth's flat. It's the point you lose. Not getting hung up on it, proving you lose and Earth's flat.
No, you're stuck on one point. And you...
What, that you can't get an elevation angle measurement from a curved Earth? Yeah, we're stuck on that point because it proves Earth's flat. It's the only point we need. You can't get one. You claimed a tangent. And yet, Black Swan, it's all refracted.
Not the geometric horizon, because we live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction. And so that moves the horizon.
All your lines are bent, you can't get two straight lines. So what basic geometry am I denying when you can't measure two straight lines, meeting? One of them's bent.
So you say.
Yeah, so what if that point's not there and we can't measure the tangent?
Because we live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction.
Well, you haven't got a straight line then, have you stupid shit?
I do. And
no, you don't. All lines are always bent. So where'd you get the straight line then?
Line of sight.
Not the geometric horizon.
Well, the line of sight isn't the geometric tangent point horizon. It's not straight on your globe.
Live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction.
It's not no atmo day.
Stop bringing us in circles.
Sorry, when I point out how he loses, he says, stop bringing us in circles. No, you've said the line of sight is straight, and I've said, no, it's not no atmo day. You're going to respond to that?
Light is bent.
So light's not going to give you a straight line for an angle measurement then? You're looking in a sextant, measuring a straight line with what you see. That's light that you see with an eyeball. But according to you and your last statement, that's bent. Yeah, we know a standard rate on a sphere. Well, an angle's two straight lines.
The direction you're looking in is not bent.
Oh, really? So it's no atmo day?
Live in an atmosphere, therefore you always have refraction.
What direction do you look at so that you don't
sorry,
have
nothing
refraction?
to do with it. My response that it's no atmo day to get a straight line's got nothing to do with it. Because it defeats your argument, it's got nothing to do with it. No, mate, it's got everything to do with the annihilation of your claim that you've got a straight line, it's the line of sight. When the line of sight, straight line tangent point, doesn't exist, we can show that in the Black Swan. You haven't got a straight line of sight.
Shows a horizon that's way beyond. Therefore, it's not a globe.